Hi guys, Crispin Sanford here. Looking to share with you today principles involved in creating a wealth machine, right? Obviously, money isn't the end all be all, but safety, security, the ability to go where and when you choose to have an inspiration and then fulfill that because you're not being held back by lack of resources, and also, when you get to live the life and experience the things that are a part of your mission, part of your journey, that enriches you. When you go to places and travel and are able to speak and do the things and be in circles where people share their insights and share the different cultures and their experiences, that also brings its own sort of wealth to it. And it comes, from being in a position of success. So part of it is building a business where you do succeed and create financial wealth. But, the work that goes into doing that, and also the work that ensures that you're able to be free, has to do with putting a functioning, working organization there. I use the term machine. Hopefully you don't take exception to it. If you do, call it something else. Call it an organism, if you care to. Same thing. Operating in a way that produces results, right? So it's important to ensure that in your organization, each of the sections are set up to fully fulfill the functions that meet the requirements of that particular section, whether it's marketing or executive planning, financial planning, or quality control, right? You've got to ensure that your products, your team, the different areas of the organization can be corrected, improved, and can be established thoroughly and fully and do the job 100%. People know what's what, and when there's a problem in that area, you can go in, find out what they're not doing, and get that thing that they should be doing done, and get the person retrained, get the area set up so it's not missing out on the things that it needs to be doing, because that's the problem. The area functions when people are doing what they're supposed to be doing. So let's ensure that that's happening and that we make sure that those functions are happening. So this means establishing what the functions are, what the roles are in the organization to fill those functions, the products and services that they're there to create, or in the process of making the complete products and services, what that role does in their part of fulfilling the complete service and ensuring we create the product and deliver the product and the service fully. We need to understand the administrative processes in the organization, the way in which the area is supposed to function, the forms that need to be filled out, who needs to be notified, and ensure that the various scripts that are going to be used or templates that are going to be used are available and there. We know what they are. And then also the technical processes. These got to be written in layman's terms, quite frankly. There's going to be the high-level material, but focusing first on rendering the material in layman's terms, layman's language. It's going to make it a hell of a lot easier for you to put it together and to share it. And a lot of the technical people are going to have all the high-end, highfalutin stuff, and we're more interested in ensuring that it's clear and simple and information that is going to be easy to apply and get results from, because this is going to be used for training, and it needs to be as simple and as clear as possible to ensure that people can be trained quickly. My father always told me, or he didn't tell me a million times, but he told me several times, a story of the distinction and difference between Germany and America in World War II. One of the things that made the difference, and a German proudly proclaims that he was able to train an engineer to make a perfect bomb sight in a bomber within 5 years, so that engineer would be able to make a perfect bomb sight, right? These things are incredibly precise and high levels of engineering. Of course, the American proudly says, I'm able to build a factory in 5 weeks that produces perfect bomber sites by the thousands, right? That's the difference between America and Germany in World War II, right? So ensuring that everything's written, ensuring things are simple, ensuring things are clear, ensuring that the ability to train and run and do your job quickly and efficiently is way more important than some of the high level stuff. We want to have that. We want to be the best. We want to be able to deliver the best. We want to ensure that our guys are second to none, but there's a way to arrive at that. And first things first, we want to get it in layman's terms. So do that for your whole business, for the executive section, the administrative, marketing, finance, production and delivery, quality control, and business development. And if you put that in place, ensuring that all of the personnel know what they're doing, everyone can be trained, the whole organization can be run and managed standardly. Obviously, innovations are happening and need to be introduced. New teams are being developed new units are being developed and put in place for expansion. But essentially, what we're doing is we're making it possible to have the whole organization in writing, to be fully understood by the whole team and the people that need to understand it. And when we do that, we have a wealth machine. Okay, guys, bye now.